List of tools: tape measure, saw, level, hammer, drill. Step 1. Install the pre-assembled trusses. Step 2. Install horizontal crossbars. Step 3. Nail the sheath into place. Step 4. Lay the underlayment over the sheath. Step 5. Lay a strip of the underlayment material to cover the top seam. Step 6. Lay the first row of roof tiles at the bottom. Step 7. Lay the second row of roof tiles overlaying the last one by a few inches. Step 8. Repeat the process for the rest of the roof. Step 9. Lay a row of ridge roof tiles on the top edge of the roof.